Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making a salad that has radishes and cucumbers, and it says it's supposed to be heart healthy. So that is to me a great salad that we want to try. So let's get started. We're going to start off by putting our wet ingredients together. So we have our lemon juice, and this is sour cream, but you can also use yogurt if you want. I don't happen to have any, so we're using sour cream. We have some, well, you can either use Dijon mustard, or I have this kind of a seedy mustard that I thought would be interesting. So we're going with that. Some honey. And some pepper. Going to chop up a red onion, we're just going to slice this as well. I'm just going to chop these up as well, or slice them. Really, really thin slices. I'm not going to put all of this on the salad. The reason is, for this recipe it called for 3 to 4 cucumbers, and I didn't want to make that much, so we'll just put on what we think fits for this salad. If we need to add more, we can always add more. Just a very simple salad, and it doesn't take a lot of different ingredients either. Well, we're all mixed up. Now we need to try it. So we have us a cucumber and a radish. Should get an onion on there too. We got that, we didn't get it. Well, here we go. Here he is. That's a very low-key, lovely salad. Simple. It's delicious. Oh yes, I can taste the radish. And of course the cucumber and the onion. But that sauce gives it a lift. It's not such a stark vegetable. It's got a bit of a seasoning flavor to it. And it enhances the vegetable. Wow, that's really good. We're gonna enjoy this for lunch. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a wonderful video, and now we have us a wonderful salad for lunch. A salad that's heart healthy. So maybe take some pita bread or something, avocado bread, a vegetable bread, anything like that. A wrap. You put this in a wrap. Oh, this is really good. Okay, folks, you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.